she's joking, right? So, again, talking slot machine, just give us the quest. For the hog nerd, you're thinking this would be the single quest things that ever happened to me, but why am I the only one who didn't get superpowers? Okay, wait, let me see if I can break my record. Everyone else is living up while I'm stuck in the tutorial. Shock. I can fix that with blue Billy. Are the card tape mostly duct tape ay grudge why did this have to happen to us? Where are we? Why did that lot machine red there pick us? What does she get other all this? None of the mistake any sense. This fasting remembers was Chelsea in my room then. Instead, you dedicate me for the other enemy. If you love anime so much, then why don't you go live in one? That's when we all realized what none of us wanted to admit. She made a wish from. Wait, you think her angry birthday wish actually came true? They could be worse. No parents, no bills, plus I am even more jacked now. Would mine stick around for a while? Keep that same energy when you're stuck thinking geometry test for all eternity. This is a game. Guilt, empathy. Let great day back. We should stop her. This is all of fault. Can you just go punch the darn machine already? That's what I said. I like this Kate. Before you ask, yes, I made them. No, I don't get to pick her personality settings. Practice make perfect after all. Fascinating. Okay, yeah, maybe it was the witch, maybe it once, I don't know, but Lady Luck told us what we need to do. Chelsea, the key to all this we find here, we get answer. I should ever done more. Look, if the follow narrative logic, then understanding the plot's story and help us. Boring. Wow. But we Alan class and brick stuff. That's exactly what the punch first thinking never would say. Wait, I thought this was just a drum random world, but if it's the game, there has to be clues. Maybe if I think the school's debates base and calculate it assign swish. Found her. Look. Huh? But that was way too quick. Oh no. At least your hair looks good while you being chill, baby. Girl boss round. Guess this world has social media too. Wow. Whoa. That's what has to be Chelsea. That's her. She kind creep, no low key. How Robel we made her like this. Oh my god, shut up. This is all Alan's fault. Remember? Speaking of